Ever wondered why we yawn? It's a fascinating topic, isn't it? You know how when you see someone yawn, you can't help but yawn too? That's because yawning is contagious. It's our body's way of showing empathy. When we see someone yawn, our brain thinks, oh, they must be tired or bored, and we feel the urge to yawn too. But did you know yawning is also like a wake-up call for our bodies? It's like a mini workout for our lungs and muscles. When we yawn, we take in a big gulp of air, filling our lungs with oxygen, helping us become more alert and ready to seize the day. And what about those times when you're bored, maybe in a long meeting or a dull class, and you find yourself yawning? That's our brain's way of saying, I need something more exciting. Interestingly, yawning might also be our body's natural cooling system for our brains. Just like your computer or phone works better when it's not overheated, our brains function better when they're cool. A deep yawn increases blood flow to our brains, helping to cool them down. And of course, who hasn't yawned just before bedtime? It's our body's gentle reminder that it's time to wind down and get some rest. As we yawn, our bodies start to relax, and our brains release melatonin, a hormone that helps us fall asleep. So, is yawning a sign of boredom or tiredness? Well, it can be both. But by paying attention to your body, you can tell the difference. If you're feeling sleepy and your eyes are droopy, you're probably tired. But if you're finding it hard to pay attention, yawning might be your body's way of saying, I need something more interesting. So the next time you yawn, take a moment to think about what your body might be trying to tell you. Isn't it amazing how our bodies communicate with us?
Well, that's all there is for this nugget. You can go on to the next fact or ask a question of your own. Just go to Ask a Question in the navigation and we'll answer any question you have about anything. And if you're not on our site, just go to nuggetsto know.com and you'll find everything there. Until next time, keep chasing your wildest dreams and uncovering new adventures.